before 2 years, before 2 months, and their culprits, that rapists, are still enjoying their life in front of jails. Their speaker, where is justice? Where is government? If they don't have power to do something, why? Why is government? Why people are giving their precious votes?
What is going? Sir! 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 अध्यक्ष महोदय! अध्यक्ष महोदय, यदि ये सदन मुझे संरक्षण नहीं दे सकती तो मैं जा रहा हूँ! मेरे साथ! अध्यक्ष महोदय! अध्यक्ष महोदय! मैंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया, मैंने अपना परिवार छोड़ दिया, मैंने अपना माँ बाप छोड़ दिया इस नेशन के लिए। यदि अध्यक्ष महोदय, यदि आप संरक्षण नहीं दे सकते तो मैं अभी इसी वक्त जा रहा हूँ।
Bills and schemes only in the paperwork, not in reality. I want to say that कागजी काम काफी नहीं है, कागजी काम काफी नहीं जनाब, जमीनी हकीकत पर भी ध्यान दें।
We are the light in the darkness. We are the voice of the voiceless.
Yes!
We are the hope of the hopeless.
Our phone are wireless, cooking is fireless, food are nutritionless, youth are jobless. They are shameless, everything is becoming less, even in fact I am speechless.
Jai Hind! Great. I congratulate you that you all have been elected and selected as an MP. Before saying anything or going ahead, I would like to request everyone that today, whatever you're going to say, you must say from the bottom of your heart. It's not about United States of India, and it's not about Ukta Bharat. It's about the development of this country. And ladies and gentlemen, trainees of Will Talk, we have not been able to go in the main parliament. But yes, we have made a great platform here in your love, in your support. And this platform must be used for the development of this country. Your voice, your words, your statements can really develop the society. So whatever you're going to say, do not say just because of winning only today. Just say because you are really the nation builder. Just say that you are really nation servant today. So my dear speakers, today we have two parties, as you all know. One here, United States of India, they are ruling party. And from opposition, they used to rule before 70 years actually, right? So, I mean, this is Ukta Bharat. Now, you can understand what I am indicating actually, right? And we are so afraid to take the main name actually, right? Because we are on recording mode, so we cannot talk about it. Disclaimer for this talk, do not use any offensive and abusive languages. And do not use any Hindi language, but dialogue can be spoken, guys. The last but not least, there are some sensitive things in India that you should not talk about. Not, I mean, do not go spiritually some of the things to hurt. Yeah, if some things are good in, compliment, then you can speak about it. I would like to invite Miss President of Ukta Bharat to say something, and let us see actually what problems she thinks is going on in our country. Miss Sikha.
Jai Hind, our respected speaker.
Jai Hind.
Greeting to the member of the house and respected speaker. Today, it's me, Sikha Kushwaha, the president of Ukta Bharat. We are here, respected speaker, to talk about the main issues of India, not the people they have done in the paperwork.
Oh, shit.
Respected speaker, I have a number of questions. The president of United States of India, Miss Muskan, what they have done in their ruling party. First of all, I want to start my session with quotes. ये जो दल चुप्पी साधे बैठे हैं, गंधारी जैसे पट्टी बांधे बैठे हैं, इसलिए आज मैं सबके पर्दे खोलूंगी, चाहे सूढ़ी पर चढ़ जाऊं पर मन के बात बोलूंगी। Speaker, my first concern is education system. The President of United States of India, they have said that we have to provide the employment and education. I can't see anywhere the person who are educated, the literally educated, I can't see the person who are literally employment. There, I can't see. Perhaps the ruling party forget that we have the right of, we have basic needs, roti kapda makan, but people are forget the, with roti kapda makan we have the education, also the basic needs. Perhaps they, unfortunately, they people are forget. Nowadays, respected speaker, nowadays the education system is like education without employment. Education is expenses increases day by day. Coaching mafia is increasing day by day. But the quality, but the quality of education I can't see anywhere.
Yes.
Respected speaker, my second point is, respected speaker, my second point is digitalization. The ruling party said that the MP of ruling party Sujit said that we digitalize the India, but I can't see the light. I can't see the light in the village. They people said that digital India, we have digitalized India, but I think they people only see the cities and the metro cities, the digital India, but what about the village? What about the remote India, remote villages, remote area where the people are facing problem, the networking, where the people are facing problem, the power of electricity. Let me speak first. They are talking about the digitalization, the lack of digital talent. Who is responsible for this? Lack of digital literacy. Who is responsible for this? Wow. The complexity of digitalization. Who will solve this?
Sir, object. Sir, I object.
Let me speak, sir.
No.
Sir, you have the.
You are sharing wrong data, sir. She's telling
First,
lies.
tell me speak.
Sir, please see the reality of.
Let me complete. Don't have patience. Let me complete. Let me complete.
Tell me, you are not using PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm. It is
Let
not
me
digital.
complete, sir. Let me complete.
What is this? You don't need to have.
What about the remote area, sir? What about the remote area? Let me speak.
What are you saying? You can purchase anything. Buy PhonePe and Google Pay.
Wait.
don't need cash
महिला
now.
की आवाज दबा रहे हैं आप लोग. This is actual disrespect, you know. You guys are from United States of India. You disrespecting women. You are. Shut up.
It's a reality. Sir, it's a reality.
Security. Arrest them. You are disrespecting. Hey. You are disrespecting speaker as well. You're not listening.
Just we are talking about reality.
I don't respect it. I don't respect it.
Sir, we can
Sir,
see this
you need to
everywhere.
respect. She is a girl. You are suppressing the voice of a girl. You are suppressing the voice of women. Need to understand. You are representing no national party. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Guys, you can't digest our main data. You are not able to digest because you are wrong. That's why. Let me complete first. The second point is that digitalization is not equal to generation. Your digitalization is not equal to generation. And my third point is justice delayed means justice denied. In India has 21 judges per million. People of the India is one of the lowest in the world. Only 21 judge for the millions of people? What is wrong? What is this?
No, you are right. You are already told. You're right.
Yes, I am right. I am right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. Sit down. Thank you very much. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you very much. You are suffer.
What is wrong? It is my our party is right. That our party.
Sir, you have ear problem, sir. You have ear problem, sir.
Okay, let her complete, sir. Wait for a while. Ma'am, you have only 30 seconds, sir.
Yes, sir. Mostly bills and schemes only in the paperwork, not in reality. I want to say that कागजी काम काफी नहीं है, कागजी काम काफी नहीं जनाब, जमीनी हकीकत पर भी ध्यान दें. I want to conclude my point. They are said that digital India, welcome to our 21st century, where our phone are wireless, cooking is fireless, food are nutritionless, youth are jobless. They are shameless. They are shameless. Everything is becoming less. Even in fact, I am speechless. Thank you so much for hearing me, sir. Speaker.
Wow,
Respect.
very nice, very nice. All right. I really comply with your statements. I respect your ideology. Whatever you have said, we will just look into it, and we will, of course, look after it. Now, the President of United States of India, Miss Muskan. Where is she? Yes, please.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. First of all, I would like to thank our respected speaker for having me this opportunity to convey the issues that are not being discussed. I feel really proud. I feel really proud to represent the people of India and to preside over this institution. I stand here with a deep sense of responsibility.
Yes.
Because we are not just lawmakers, we are the guardians of democracy.
Yes.
We are the light in the darkness. We are the voice of the voiceless. We are the hope of the hopeless.
Oh my God.
So I am here to tell you that our party has been really trying hard for the growth and development of this nation. I am just 22 years old.
Oh.
I never thought of joining a party. I always wanted to be a social worker. But this party who has ruled us, they have done nothing for the nation. This party has compelled me to join. They compelled me to join politics.
That's why they are not doing by heart anything.
No!
Let her complete. Yes.
This party has compelled me to join and create this party that is united. This party is not a party, it's an emotion. Emotion that is of equality, fraternity, and unity. Our government has been working tirelessly day and night. We have worked on infrastructure. Earlier, in the north and the northeast states, it was very difficult to travel. The connectivity was so less, there was no means of transportation. But now, go and see the tunnels that you have in Jammu Kashmir. How people are getting services because of this connectivity. Ask the people of northeast how privileged they feel because of the connectivity that they have. Earlier, every country was considering India as a country of slaves because they never wanted India to be the part of anything. But now we are the global leaders.
Stop lying, President. Stop lying.
Everybody wants our engineers. Everybody wants our doctors.
But nobody.
Everybody
but
wants our
nobody.
vaccines. started their startups. We are promoting entrepreneurship. We are developing.
Sit down, ma'am. So you should sit down, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Stop
please
lying.
sit down. Let me
You should sit down, ma'am.
complete.
See is exactly. People can't do that. You people can't do that.
Do not. Let them. You don't react.
Let her complete, please. Let her complete. Just. Ma'am, you have 30 seconds. Hurry up, please.
Yes.
No, it's fine. It's enthusiasm. More moderation.
Talking about the women's safety, tell me how many women were working 10 years before?
Yes.
Tell me where you saw women as a fighter jets. No. Where you see women as a bureaucrats, where you see women as engineers, where you see women as doctors. They were just doing the household work. Education of the women were never considered. If they have so much problem with our party that we have not done anything, what they were doing before us? Why you were unable to do anything? If you have so many complaints for our party, what you were doing 10 years before, ma'am? If you have so many complaints, why you did not do anything? Why you did not do digitalization? Why you did not promote literacy? Why you did not do anything? You people don't do anything, and you just poke and you just find faults if anybody else is doing. That is the easiest thing anybody can do. Digital India, because of Digital India, the chances of black money are so less.
Yes.
Everybody has the records. We can see the records of people because of the online digitalization. That's how we are curbing terrorism and corruption.
Yes.
And you say that digitalization is bad? What kind of party you are, ma'am? What kind of party? You are promoting terrorism.
Yes.
You are promoting corruption. You want that digitalization to not be there. Just look at the villages, the condition of villages. They have electricity now.
Yes.
They have access to water now.
So-called electricity, ma'am. So-called electricity.
Ma'am,
Only
just
15 minutes. Only 15 minutes.
ma'am, just
Only 15 minutes. Otherwise,
Let me
left
complete.
days.
Let
Left
me
days we
complete.
have to live in dark. Left days we have to live
let
in
me
dark.
complete, sir. Let me complete.
When your government only 30% railway electrified.
Don't disrespect your president.
Okay. Just, ma'am, go outside. Everybody go outside and see how many solar panels are there. Go and see. Go and see. Every government office, every building, even every household, because of the subsidy that we have provided, everybody is having. With development, we are concerned about the environment also.
But ma'am, this being started from your ruling party. You are talking about the women empowerment. Why you don't talk about the Mamita? It happened in the Calcutta. Where is your ruling party? It happened. You talk about. You are sharing your view about the women empowerment. Why think about those parents who away from their parents, who away from their children? I mean, what happened? What happened with the Mamita? Why you don't talk about with them?
So why you were not able to support her? You were also a party. What you were doing? You were sitting.
But no.
You are also a national party. What you were
Hello,
doing?
ma'am.
Tell me.
You are ruling party. You have to focus on them incident.
This was not.
You have to ruling. You are ruling party. You have to focus on that incident. Why we are focusing on that incident?
And what about Nirbhaya Kant?
What? What?
Okay. Let me complete. In conclusion, I just want to say that our government is working hard day and night to build the nation shining bright. We have taken steps to boost the economy might and improve the infrastructure, a wondrous sight. But challenges remain, we must confess. We need to work together, we must progress. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. I really respect and comply with your statements, whatever you have spoken. But dear MPs, it is really humble request. You can shout, no problem, because that is your enthusiasms. But do not disrespect any women, right? If someone is speaking, then you need to listen carefully and then answer back if you have. All right. Now I would like, Mr. Ejaz to have words with us. You are from opposition party. Tell us what problems are going on in this country and you are not happy with. Could you please elaborate and could you please contradict?
मैं आईना हूं दिखाऊंगा दाग चेहरों के मैं आईना हूं दिखाऊंगा दाग चेहरों के जिसे बुरा लगे वो सामने से हट जाए जय हिंद dear speaker, this is Mr. Ejaz, MP from Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you so much for having me this great opportunity to share the views which are not being discussed. Dear speaker, today I am here for the sake of development. Today I am here for the sake of employment. Today I am here for the sake of education. Today I am here for the sake of women empowerment. Today I am here for the sake of my nation. Dear speaker, don't consider me as an MP, but the servant of this nation. Don't consider me as an MP, but the son of this nation. Don't consider me as an MP, but the brother of this country. हम उस शहर में रहा करते हैं एजाज, अरे हम उस देश में जिंदगी गुजारा करते हैं एजाज, जहां चंद लोग अपने घर चलाने के लिए हजारों के घर जला देते हैं. Dear speaker, today I am in front of you to raise the voice of those daughters, of those sisters who have been raped before 5 years, before 2 years, before 2 months, and their culprits, that rapists, are sitting enjoying their life in front of jails. Dear speaker, where is justice? Where is government? If they don't have power to do something, why? Why is government? Why people are giving their precious votes for them? Dear speaker, I am here for those people, for those students, for those people who are donating their money, who are doing their day and night one and earning money to donate to government for the development of the nation, the virus development. They are just wasting their money in election. They are just collecting their money to fill the account of Rani. Dear speaker, I am here today for those students who are making their day and night one. They are making their day and night one to develop their skills, to get degrees. Their parents are spending their hard-earned money of their students, and after 10 years, they are just sitting on roads.
Oh.
Where is our government? They are saying we are developing our country. And our government is busy, dear speaker, our government is busy to make people fight each other on the basis of religion, on the basis of caste, on the basis of color. And they are saying we are developing our country. Dear speaker, मैं जानता हूं मैं सच बोलूंगा तो हार जाऊंगा. मैं जानता हूं मैं सच बोलूंगा तो हार जाऊंगा. अरे ये झूठ बोलकर मुझे खामोश कर देंगे.
और
Dear speaker, I am here to raise the voice of development, to raise the voice of education. The money that we have to spend, for the development, the money that we have to spend for the upliftment of the poor people, that money that is donating our nation. What is going there, speaker? The ruling party is investing their money to explore the world.
Yes.
That money,
Yes.
they are using this money to wear the branded clothes.
Oh my God.
They are spending that money
Oh my God.
to
yes.
travel in precious cars. Dear speaker, what about our nation? What about our youth? Where we are going? One day we will be considered at the world the best nation of the country. Today we are in which situation we are. Everyone is seeing towards us like terrorists, like beggars. We are looking like beggars because we are doing nothing for our nation. At last, this is dear speaker, this is a wake-up call for us. If we will not appear today, then we will be no more tomorrow. अगर न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए मुझे सुनने वालों, न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे मुझे सुनने वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तान भी ना रहेगी दास्तानों में. Thank you so much.
People are damn emotional after your speech, you know. You can understand that. So, dear MPs are enjoying other country, wearing branded uniforms and dresses. Beautiful. The next MP we have from Lucknow only, Sujit.
ओके भारत माता की भारत माता की जय श्री राम जय श्री गोरक्षनाथ बाबा माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्पीकर्स गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन I am Sujit Gon and being considered as a Yogi Adityanath.
Okay, very nice.
I am from Gorakhpur, MP, and my party name is United States of India. Excuse me? Do you know about the United States of India? Yes, we know. United, that means unity. Or they are separated. You know that if you are unity, you can do everything. You can do everything. But
Pani piyo. First water. Yes.
Okay, let me complete, sir. Sir, they are separated. They are Pakistan is divided by him. Bangladesh is divided by him.
Wait. Sir, wait. We have nothing to do with Pakistan.
Okay.
You are saying Pakistan is divided? Why are you talking about Pakistan?
But-
Are you MP of Pakistan? Are you MP of Pakistan?
Complete. Sir, okay.
Sit down, yes.
Let me complete.
Sit down. Get out from the parliament. Get out from the parliament. Sit down.
Let me complete. Why are you saying? Ma'am. अरे इनके जान को बताइए.
This behavior.
Ma'am.
Get down.
Sir. Sir.
This is behavior.
Why are you? Sir. Dear speaker, he is treating me. Okay. Sir, what is going? Sir.
He is disrespecting the speaker. He is disrespecting the speaker.
अभ्यास महोदय, यदि यह सदन मुझे संरक्षण नहीं दे सकती.
Sir.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, यदि यह सदन मुझे संरक्षण नहीं दे सकती तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. मेरे साथ अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया. मैंने अपना परिवार छोड़ दिया. सर, मैंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया.
Sit down.
मैंने अपना परिवार छोड़ दिया. मैंने अपना माँ बाप छोड़ दिया इस नेशन के लिए. यदि अध्यक्ष महोदय, यदि आप संरक्षण नहीं दे सकते तो मैं अभी इसी वक्त जा रहा हूँ.
Sir.
सर, this is a parliament and the
Dear
people are-
MP. Wait. Okay, you sit down. You guys sit down. speaker. Sir, we respect you. Please.
सर
Sir, you said that they have divided Pakistan. You are divided Pakistan. Arey, we have nothing to do.
ओके सर, लेट मी कंप्लीट
You go there first. First you go there. Yes, let him complete.
I am here. I am standing here for the sake of education. I am standing here for the sake of justice. Okay sir, let me complete then. अरे सीखा के चमचों को बताइए सर.
Please maintain the decorum of the parliament.
चमचे को बैठाइए सर. इन्होंने सर. ओके. स्पीकर, डियर स्पीकर.
Please maintain.
माय डियर स्पीकर सर, अध्यक्ष महोदय, जब भी मैं खड़ा होता हूँ, जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ तो इनको आपत्ति हो जाती है. सर, आई एम आल्सो सेइंग दैट यदि ये सदन मुझे संरक्षण नहीं दे रही है तो इसी वक्त मैं त्याग रहा हूँ सर, जा रहा हूँ.
नहीं अध्यक्ष, आप बोले, अपनी बात पूरी करें आप. जी बताएं.
सर,
Yeah.
I am standing here for the sake of our nation.
Yes.
I am standing here for the peace of our India. I am standing here for the development of India.
सलमान, हेलो, excuse me.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सर!
Wait. अरे wait.
Sir.
Sir, he will speak. सब बोलेगा. He will speak everything. Continue.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. When he ruled this government, in the front of the police, women are raped by in the front of the police, and nobody. इन्होंने सर माफियावाद को सर जन्म दिया. यदि सर मुझे पूरे प्रदेश, सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं? मुझे पूरे प्रदेश का ध्यान रखना होता है, पूरे नेशन का. सर, अध्यक्ष महोदय, यदि कोई भी व्यक्ति, चाहे वो इस पार्टी का हो चाहे उस पार्टी का हो, यदि मेरे बहन बेटियों के साथ गलत व्यवहार रखेगा या फिर उनके साथ रेप करने का प्रयास करेगा या फिर उन्हें सेना डालने का प्रयास करेगा या फिर उन्हें डिसरिस्पेक्ट करेगा तो मैं उसे इस मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा सर. मैं उसे मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा. और सर, और इस तरीके का व्यवहार कर यदि वो भागना चाहे तो अगले मोड़ पर उसका यमराज उसको इंतजार कर रहा होगा और पुलिस उसको दबोच लेगी सर. ये मेरे बहन भाइयों हैं. अगर बहन भाइयों के साथ पीपल्स आर बिहेविंग दिस लाइक ऑफ मिसबिहेव, देन आई विल टेक इमीडिएटली एक्शन सर. और सर जब भी मैं बोलता हूं तो इनको आपत्ति हो जाती है. सीखा आप अपने छात्रों को.
I am the president of Uttar Bharat. You have to respect me.
बट अपने चमचों को आप समझा दीजिए. जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ, यदि मेरी देखिए मैं एक संत हूँ और संत होने के नाते सच बोलने का साहस रखता हूँ.
Sir, can I, sir, listen. Sir, I know you have the hidden talent. Let the hidden talent be hidden. Okay? Let be hidden talent or hidden. Sir, first, let me complete, sir. You told the mention the unity.
Yeah, ma'am.
Unity. Sir, first of all, you have to respect the parliament. You have to maintain the decorum of the parliament. You just walk in this and you were respecting the respected speaker. And sir, you were talking about the rape cases. My MP, Miss Tulika, was there standing there, and some boys were flirting with her, and you were eating the Manchurian there. You were eating Manchurian there. You are talking about.
बोल रहा हूँ इस प्रदेश को.
Sir, you were talking about. First of all,
respecting, I am going, ma'am.
Yeah, sir, you have to sit down first. Take water and
Okay,
sit down.
ma'am.
Sit down.
There is no need
We
of
ca-
water
we
because
can't
I am
tolerate-
energetic.
We can't tolerate like this speaker.
ma'am.
We can't tolerate like
Ma'am.
this shameless leader. Sit down.
You.
Sit down, otherwise.
Ma'am.
Sit down.
Sit down. You have no nonsense. Nonsense. You have no idea about totally blank.
This misbehavior we can't tolerate.
अध्यक्ष
Respected.
महोदय, अध्यक्ष महोदय, अध्यक्ष महोदय,
Respected
he
speaker.
mentioned,
Respected
अध्यक्ष
speaker.
महोदय.
I want to say that the
my dear
president of
speaker, my dear
respected
speaker, he
respected
mentioned
speaker.
about the behaving. What happened?
Respected speaker, I want to say that you can see he is increasing his voice and disrespecting the president of Ukta Bharat
No, ma'am. No, sir.
and his president United States
What
of
happened?
India.
You see, my dear speaker, people are behaving and
Respecting him.
personal issues they are tolerating.
How can it
My
personal
dear speaker, what happened? If sir, if I fell down and something happened, who is responsible? Who will take the responsibility? Speaker, this is a parliament.
You
And
are
people are body, they are touching my body and my leg.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I am okay.
Okay. Then please, you have 40 seconds, sir. Complete your
Okay,
views.
okay, sir.
I have to see other speakers as well. Hurry up.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I speak?
Say you can.
यस सर सर जिनको भारत माता कहने में भारत माता जय कहने में आपत्ति होती है या फिर भारत को आगे बढ़ता नहीं दे सकते या फिर वो भारत में आतंकवाद फैलाएंगे या फिर भारत माता कहने में उनको आपत्ति हो रही है या फिर सर हमें आगे बढ़ने में
Please sir, complete.
ओके ओके मैम
Complete, sir.
उन्हें दिक्कत हो रही है उन्हें आपत्ति हो सर जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूं तो बीच में ये टोक देती हैं क्या कोई मेरा
Okay, okay, हाँ.
ओके
जिनको
तो मैं
आपत्ति-
उन्हें पैसा दे रहा हूं वो चले जाए इंडिया छोड़कर पाकिस्तान क्योंकि मैं उन्हें नहीं देख सकता सर माय डियर ओके सर ओके मैं सर दे आर सपोर्टिंग दे आर सपोर्टिंग आतंकवाद माफियावाद दे आर सपोर्टिंग
Member of the parliament.
Sir,
Member
my
of the
India-
house.
Okay. My
Member of
India
the-
is my family. That's why I'm saying. Okay. Sir, हमारे प्रदेश में, हमारे भारत में यदि कोई आतंकवाद फैलाने का प्रयास करेगा या फिर उसे बढ़ावा देगा तो मैं हर की चीज बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता ओके सर यदि मेरे प्रदेश में मेरे भारत में यदि कोई आतंकवाद फैलाएगा और सर आप सपोर्ट करेंगे तो मैं आपके खिलाफ एक्शन लूंगा if you are supporting आतंकवाद then I will immediately take action and I will never see who are you if you are supporting my family my party then immediately I will take action मैं आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि ये भारत माँ की बात है ओके सर ओके सर
Say something in English.
ओके
Nothing. Oh, please. Oh. You don't know English.
I know English sir why ma'am listen to me and first of all I am yogi और मेरे साथ मेरी कोई
In English.
Oh no. Something in my personal thing. Then, sir. Okay.
Arey, listen to him in English, yeah.
If anybody is against my nation, against my brothers and sisters, then immediately I will take action, sir. I never thought he is belong my party or those party. This is not voting. इन्हें आपत्ति होती है.
ठीक, have a seat. Oh, why the next speaker?
नहीं.
Miss Tulika. president was saying that you were being harassed and Mr. Sujit was there. It is true. Oh, she was providing wrong data. Shouting नहीं ज़्यादा. Shout please. Shouting नहीं बहुत हो गया. अब point से सिर्फ बल्ला.
Jai Hind, our respected speaker. Thank you very much for having me the precious time to discuss actual issues which are not being discussed. Dear speaker, I am standing here for the sake of education. Dear speaker, I am standing here for the sake of unemployment. I am standing here for the sake of casteism. I am standing here for the sake of farmers' protest. I am standing here for the sake of hunger index report. I am standing here for the sake of happiness report. Dear speaker, I would like to represent my first point and represent my Ukta Bharat. I want to say that कि Miss President Muskan had promised people that she given 2 crores vacancy for youth, but he didn't give. Because he used youth for only for vote bank. Do you know about hunger index report ranking for India? Yes. What is? 107.15. It is good? It is good.
Shout, no shout. Wait. You can no shouting. Answer karo but no shouting.
It was 127, now it is 107.
10.
In your time, it was 127. No.
94.
Oh my God. In your time, it was 94.
Yes. Yes. In my time, in 94. And happiness index report 118, 150. It is good. Everyone. What? So you are in ruling party, na? So you do development.
You have destroyed everything, no? That's why.
Have you seen the foreign direct investment report? Have you seen the entrepreneurship report? We have improved a lot. We have reached the 5 trillion economy. We are aiming for that.
You only show in data.
Have you seen the report of GDP? Have you seen that?
Yes, you see.
What about that?
You see
Have you
data
seen the financial
only in
reports?
TV. Only in TV. Your data is only in TV.
What in TV?
Yes. You showing your data only in TV, not.
No, sir. No. International.
Yes. She knows. Yes. Of course. She knows everything.
It is published by international agencies, not by India.
Yeah.
And ma'am, I want to say that something. I am a student of B.Ed. What did you do for B.Ed student? In 7 years, you will not give any single vacancy for. You are irresponsible, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, if everybody is sending their students to private school, where should I develop this government vacancy? If you are not ready to, if you don't believe in government, if you are not ready to send your child in a government school, how should I create the vacancy?
But I want.
What do you want? That I should have many people for the same job. Huh? What do you want? I want you to work for yourself. If you are capable of teaching, go and teach people.
Yes.
What? We have done. We have done, sir. We have done. Why? Because you people don't give taxes on time. You don't give taxes on time.
And ma'am, let me ask some question. That time when was burning Manipur, where are you? That time where your RMPs and PM ministers are enjoying your rally. But that time, Manipur was burning.
MP of Manipur.
Okay. So please, do you want to see that people, that criminals, they have killed right now They are no more. Please go and see Manipur.
I want to ask
They are no more. They have died.
where were you are? That time where were you are?
We have killed them. We shot.
What did you do for Manipur?
Manipur?
Did
Please
you
go and-
visit? Did you visit or not?
Of course I visited so many
Never
times.
visited.
I visited.
You were enjoying your rally. You were enjoying your rally that time.
I spent my a lot of time with Manipur. In Manipur. How can you say? Please go and check the reality. I think you didn't go.
I
Go.
checked reality. I checked reality.
Criminals, they are not alive. They have died because of us, because of our army. We have shot down. Please go and check the reality
I checked
now.
all reality, but you telling lie.
No,
you
how
every
can
time
you
your
say?
party are
Please
telling
go.
lie.
There, sir, you don't know. You are not living in Manipur. You are living in England.
Yes, I want to say dedicate a side.
One line.
I want न पूरी हुई नौकरी की बात, न सस्ती हुई रोटी और साथ। जुमलों में लिपटा हर एक वादा था, जुमलों में लिपटा हर एक वादा था, जमीन पे सिर्फ एक जुमला राज था। कहीं डाटा छुपाया, कहीं आवाज दबाई गई, कहीं डाटा छुपाया, कहीं आवाज दबाई गई, ये विकास सिर्फ टीवी तक ही दिखाई गई।
Great, I respect you.
Yeah, I'm MP of Prayagraj. I stand before in streamed of house as a representative of Prayagraj. I want to. Don't run. You just have to stand up. Okay. I stand before steamed house as elected representative of Prayagraj, a city of profound historical and cultural significance. I am here to present a factual account of transformative development of our region has people witnessed. Even our opposition witnessed. The Mahakumbh. Every opposition representative come and witness how we are developing the Prayagraj region. Over 8,000 kilometers of roads are made. From a cobbler to a big businessman, they are getting opportunity to earn and to help our nation building. The world recognize, the people from world are coming and witnessed how we are developing our nation. We make world record. They are saying we are only promising on paper, but the world witness how we are developing our nation. The UNESCO recognized the Mahakumbh. We are working on the Ganga refinery. Plants are made which cleaning the water of Ganga. Over 16,000 kilometers of road made connectivity from rural to urban. The people from whole country came together and saw unity. They are talking about we are discriminating among the people, but the Mahakumbh shows every opposition. People are coming together without any dispute and showing unity. They are talking about unemployment. Over 5 lakh of people came to Prayagraj and getting employed by doing something. Medical health camps are made. People are coming for health checkups. They are telling we are not developing. We are working on ground, not on paper. World recognized. Everyone recognized their things. They are saying we are only promise. We are showing them. They are coming and witnessing the development in Prayagraj. I'm showing some facts. Under Namami Gange program, significant programs have been made in treating savages and reducing pollution in river. Prayagraj has seen the construction of new STP, sewage treatment plants, and improved solid waste management infrastructure, especially in light of the Mahakumbh Mela. Preparations are made long-term, not short-term. Healthcare and education. We have ensured the construction and upgradation of primary health centers and hospitals. Aims like super specialty care is being brought closer to the people. While Ayushman Bharat has benefited thousands in constituency. Education is cornerstone our development. New schools, smart classrooms, and greater access to digital education. So PM eVidya has empowered our students. And new universities campus is also under planning to address higher education. Kumbh Mela. I'm talking about some facts in Kumbh Mela.
You have 10 seconds, sorry.
Okay. With I am ending with my one slogan. ना हम रुके हैं, ना हम थमे हैं। प्रयागराज की सेवा में हम दम से लगे हैं। विकास की रफ्तार है अब तेज हमारी, अब कोई रोक नहीं सकता उड़ान हमारी।
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
तुषार MP of Uttar Bharat.
Jai Hind. Our honorable speaker, our representatives of the parliament. Thank you for having me this golden opportunity for deliver the situation of the Manipur. This is me Tushar. I am from Manipur, from the party of Uttar Bharat. Actually, I'm not, please don't consider me today as the MP. Please, it's my humble request to you, dear speaker. Today, I'm coming here to represent my Manipur. I'm coming here to represent my Bharat. I'm coming here to represent this Uttar Bharat. I'm standing here for the sake of, I'm standing here for the sake of better economy. I'm standing here for the sake of better education. I'm standing for the sake of the equality. I'm standing here for the sake of employment. I'm standing here for the sake of peace. I'm standing here for the sake of justice. I'm standing for the sake of infrastructure of the India. I want to ask you a question. Some greatest personality of India speak. The India is not for this singular people. India is for the unity. It's because. Please let me complete. Don't manipulate. Okay, I know you are not able to compete under people. That's why you are manipulating. That's why you are manipulating. I know that. That's you are all over manipulating or to the single person. This is show the multiple jackals are standing in front of the single lion. The MP of the United President. We are the hope of the hopeless people. So please tell me, where is your hope for the hopeless people in Manipur? I'm not targeting on a single personality. Where is the hope? Where is the hope for the dead tribals, Kuki tribals, Kaziranga tribals, Manikka tribals? Where is your hope for those people? You all are targeting. They all hold on the guns. They all hold on the guns against the government, current ruling government, not against the people. They all are targeting them. And my second answer is, where is the digital India in Manipur? What about the people of Manipur? I am from the Manipur. I know the ground, reality of the youth of the Manipur. Where is the actual employment for the youth in Manipur? Where is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana in Manipur? Where is the developed Bharat in Manipur? Where is the you are all are the ignorance. Actually, if I totally speak, the all conclusion of this topic is you all are ignore the importance of the Manipur. And this, and cause of this reason, due to this reason, the three sisters from the all over 7 sisters, the 3 sisters is going to merge in another country, just like Malaysia, just like a Singapore, because you all are ignoring them. For example, I am the member of your family. If you are ignoring me every time, then what will I do for you? Why I do for you? I will do for myself. I will do for my own future. What will I do for all you? Please tell me. Thank you. And for you all are greatest representatives and who's listening me. Thanks for all.
In any auditorium, I think you don't need mic. Right? No, it's not about sorry, it's appreciation for you. Right? Oh my
They
God.
are the voice of noise.
This ear is really blocked.
Next you seated the Sujit in the front of you.
Yes, I thought कि मैं jump मारेगा इधर ही. No, all right.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat to all the members of our parliament. I, Hayat Ahmed, the MP of Faizabad, MP from constituency Faizabad. Honorable Speaker, I seek your permission to speak as the voice of the people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Long live the revolution. Long live the revolution. Long live the revolution. Thank you very much.
Control yourself.
Oh yeah, exactly. Go on.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की जय
Thank you very much, sir, for having me in this precious time to convey my thoughts and to convey my thoughts on the neglected topic by the so-called United States of India party. So I am standing here for the sake of better education. Today I am not here to support my party or to support any party. Today I am here to support the common people. Today I am here for the betterment of common people. How they are suffering in the ruling party, how they are suffering from the wrong policies implemented by the ruling party, the so-called the United States of India. So, my dear Speaker, today please don't consider me as an MP. Rather, consider me as a servant of nation, a nation builder. With this, I would like to proceed with my first point, representing my party, Ukta Bharat. With this, my first point is about the ruling parties. They are neglecting common citizens. They are neglecting the needs of common citizens. The ruling party has ignored the needs of farmers, workers, and students. And on the other hand, their policies are in lot more favor to the businessmen. It means they are making poor people more poorer, and they are supporting the rich people to become more richer. I don't think by implementing this strategy we can grow our nation anymore.
Who can they say about?
So let me complete my thoughts clearly. Like if I give you a real example of what happened in our rural areas, what happening in our rural areas. If a farmer wants a loan for his tractor or any needs, he is getting loan at a very higher price. Why? I mean, it's a question to the president of our opposing team. Why? If a businessman wants a loan for his luxury car, for its making any home loan, they are getting at very lower rates, like 6 to 10% they are getting for their to complete their luxury life. On the other hand, the farmers are not getting enough support to complete their basic necessities. Why this is happening in our India? And with this, with this, I would like to conclude I would like to add one more topic, that the students, the future of India, our leaders, the future leader, the future representative of India, they are not getting enough resources to study. They are not getting enough quality of education in our country, so they can represent our country to the nation worldwide. Like if I take a very often example of our government schools, like everyone has know the reality of government school. Like what's the condition? It's only 4 walls and 1 roof. What about the teachers? What about the teachers? The teachers are all corrupted. If I talk about from principal to the teacher to the peon, all are corrupted. I think this is the government should take very strict action to overcome this issue. And with this, I would like to add one more topic. I will not take your more time. Decline in education and healthcare. Like I have already discussed the education. This time I am discussing healthcare. Like the healthcare system are in very crisis. Like the government, this government wants to pay us taxes, but they are not giving back that proper healthcare facilities in government hospitals.
You don't know.
जय हिंद माझे प्रिय बंधू आणि भगिनींनो ओके मीन्स brothers and sisters dear brothers and sisters I'm feeling very honored to be here today to talk on a topic which is very crucial, which is very sensitive, a burning issue we are facing and which is directly affecting on our lives of our citizens. Okay, so first of all I want to tell everything about what ma'am said. Like she said we did anything before 10 years. So I want to give a whole explanation what we did. First quote I want to share. अरे हम आह भी करते हैं तो हो जाते हैं बदनाम. अरे हम आह भी करते हैं तो हो जाते हैं बदनाम. वो कल भी करते हैं तो चर्चा भी नहीं होती. So, first of all, I want to share about farmers. Like what we do for farmers, we focus on welfare of farmer. We did Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Niwas Yojana. We did for free treatment for poor. We focus on the drug control in Punjab. After that, we whatever promise we did, we won in Karnataka. Whatever promise we did, we said we will provide free bus travel for women. We are providing it. We said we will provide 200 units fee, which is Gruha Jyoti Yojana. We are providing unemployment allowance for people who are unemployed. So this is how we did. And if we will get a chance to do it again, we will do our 100%. We will not do like you are doing. Okay. Now I want to ask ma'am, a president of United States of India. Ma'am, you did promise that you will do the doubling income of farmers before 2022. But what is happening I'm talking about whole India. 11,000 and 2,090 people they did suicide in 2022, and each and every day in India 31 farmers are doing suicide. So I want to ask you, ma'am, like what you are doing. If you are doing everything about farmers, if you made a yojana, so they are getting, so why the farmers will do suicide? I want to ask you that. After that, you said that you will have a proper data about NRC, National Registration of Citizen, but it's only happened in the Assam because as per the Supreme Court, they said to do that. In Assam, it happens only. And what about the other cities? And what happened because of not focusing on NRC, the illegal voting is happening. The people who are already died, they are owner of the land. Shame on you. But
Sit down, man. Come on.
स्वतःचे ठेवायचे झाकून आणि दुसऱ्याचे पाहायचे वाकून. It means you are hiding your old truth. You are just showing that we are not doing this or that. It is not like that, ma'am. What about these people are not getting a pure water? They are not able to drink. They are just totally. If I talk about Beed, Aurangabad, Jalna, Latur, they are suffering. They are just only depend on the tanker. You are not doing anything for water. The main thing is water, food and needs, whatever we have. But what about this? You are not providing this only. In Pune, the traffic system, Pune and Mumbai, the traffic system is not good. The air pollution is there. Because of flooding of rains, potholes are there and people are getting accident. A lot of people are dying day by day. What about this? The metro station metro station construction, you said you will do that. It also gonna delay. And yes, if we talk about employment, you promised that you will make number 1 trillion Maharashtra, but you didn't do it yet. You did promise that you will provide job. In 100 people, 7 people are unemployed. 40 to 50% people.
United States of India.
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे.
Okay.
5.5 crore people are just being forced to do a job of working as a labor. What about this? Means if you are not providing job to us, we are skilled, we are doing our best. In IT sector, hardly we are getting some of these jobs. What about this? Ask.
Let them ask question. He doesn't have.
You talking about the employment, but you don't know about the in Lucknow city there is a now we are
No, I'm talking about
now we are planning for industry area where we establish our technology area. We are planning and you know and listen you are talking about, I'm talking about my city Ambedkar Nagar. There is a nowadays there is a many industries are coming there. They will provide the employment to the village people and the people who are unable to do their job. They provide the jobs, and you don't know about that. At that time there is a Purvanchal Expressway. Before this, we are for reaching my house, we take from 5 to 6 hours. But after the building the Purvanchal Expressway, we can reach only in 2 hours. In any emergency cases, there is a possibilities to, if any medical emergencies, we have possible cases to reach their Lari hospital or any our government hospital.
Okay, sir.
What about this?
Okay, sir, you are right. But you promised that you will provide 2 crore jobs per year. What about this?
We are planning. That's why I'm saying that you don't know. You don't know about.
government that time I planning.
When you build up the Sarkar, before 1 year. Before 1 year.
Each and everything
1
takes a
year
time.
already spent.
Each and everything takes a time.
But
If
you
you want to,
promise, sir,
if you cook any food, you don't
That time,
make a
in
food in 5
election
minutes.
time, you are saying yes,
This
we
is
will
not
do
a
it
Maggie.
immediate.
This is not a Maggie.
You give
This
us
is not
food,
a Maggie.
You give us food, we will do everything for you. What about this?